these are 100 dominoes. And in these boxes we have over 100,000 dominoes.
And we're gonna make the world's craziest domino artwork.
This is the first domino.
Thank you so much to Vexx for sponsoring this video. More on them later in the video.
So, this right here is a domino cone.
And just don't cup.
That's it.
Little diamonds living underneath my bed, creeping. Know the real, my lives above them all, sleeping. That subtle breathing in your closet every single evening. Thought you never see me again. Lust can be deceiving. When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, "Oh Lord, here they come."
Oh!
Yeah, here we come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.
Hey. Shit.
Here we come.
Okay, next up we have a little challenge. The person who can build the highest domino tower in 30 minutes wins $500. But it's euros, but yeah, whatever. 3, 2, 1, go! Special formation here. Ooh.
The interesting thing was that every single contestant was building a different type of tower.
Okay, we are 10 minutes in right now. I think Team Brown is winning.
I'm gonna win.
The 1x1s are winning right now. Catch! We are in the last 10 minutes. Why isn't any tower falling? These are, oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh no! Oh! Why isn't any tower falling? There's 50 seconds left. Oh! 3 seconds left.
NANI?!
Congratulations! There you go.
He's gonna buy all the beer tonight.
While the professional domino guys are laying down their dominoes with precision and eye for detail, I decided I would spend my time wisely and do some crazy domino trick shots. Let's do it.
Next challenge. The person who builds the domino line the fastest wins $500. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so close. Congratulations. Thank you.
We are nearing the end of day 3 at this point. We are working with 15 people to get this crazy domino artwork ready, because tomorrow we have to finish it.
Alright, so this is the last day. We already put down 80,000 dominoes. Let's finish it.
Touch the ball, it's over, call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be. You came and failed the test, you met the best, expected chess, but got monopoly. I came and bought you out, I knocked you out, I cropped you out with no apologies. I am the hope, the heart, the fate, the spark, the one who will fulfill the prophecy. I just been counting, never lounging, climbing up mountains, bouncing back, step in the ring of us just...
Oh no! Oh no! It only took 1 hour to make. So.
Oh shit. Damn.
I fucked up the middle lines of the main domino artwork. This is gonna take hours to repair. No! After days of blood, sweat and tears, the giant domino artwork is finally done. The first part of the reveal is everyone's favorite segment on this channel, Guess the Famous Artist. There are 3 difficulty levels this time. Comment down below which artist made each painting and you will get 1 singular domino, not a scam. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for.
Okay, are we all ready? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He's down! Oh, count a second! Quickly, reman! He's powering ahead. We know he's one of the finest runners in the world. Wow, big turns coming up. Takes the big left-hander. Oh, it's going to be champagne for him. Oh, they're coming back in it. It's 650 meters to go. They're starting to think about it. And here he comes. They'll probably rename Governor Street after him. I wouldn't be surprised. The world champion in racing is he. Through the flag rouge and the chase has been given up. 300 to go. I think it's going to be a huge hop. Yeah, they'll take this turn. 650 to go. And here they are. The camera is on the finish line now again. It stalls back again. He's racing on. Can he deliver? Surely, here we go. 59 meters. 49 meters. Gets his head down. He's in a tight trolling position at the moment. Almost looks kindly lazy back. And there is no podium champion on the planet by this man. And here we go. Big kicker. And here he comes. Is he going to make it big? Oh, here we go then. It's going to be a big tee up for a big grandstand finish. He has got about 50 metres of on. He could possibly still hang on. Come on, guys, for goodness sake. He hits the sleeping policeman. He's still got 150 metres to go. He double checks again. Is he thinking about getting celebrities? Oh, it looks that way. I'm going to get them back. Oh, I don't know. I do not know. It's a split finish here. He's then going to get going. And here comes the bunch. And he's going to sail by the corner. Oh, this is absolutely fantastic. What a finale. What a race that was.
Shout out to the Dutch domino team for making this happen. We had 15 people working super hard for 5 days, and this wouldn't be possible without them. Go check them out.
This video also wouldn't be possible without Wixx. As my videos get more and more expensive, it's amazing to have a sponsor like Wixx that supports my crazy and stupid ideas. Wixx is a website building platform that gives you total creative freedom to build your professional looking website. My own website has been using Wixx for years now, and I have nothing to complain about. I suggest you use the drag and drop feature to create your beautiful website in a quick and efficient way. I've gotten many business opportunities through my website, so I would definitely recommend any artist or any entrepreneur to get a website because it maximizes your potential to get more business, which allows you to do cool stuff. Having a website allows you to sell more art, create more commissions, and it is a place where you can showcase your portfolio. It's pretty cool. Wixx has millions of users and you could be the next one. Go to wixx.com/go/Vexx to build your own professional website. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and peace.